Do you know why most people fail to build a successful 1% AI business despite having hundreds of YouTube videos at their disposal, despite spending hundreds of dollars on Claude Max subscriptions, despite watching thousands of courses online? It's because they do not have a proper execution plan from ideation to lead generation to building an MVP effectively to then selling this to leads. And after working with 200 plus AI business owners and successfully helping them run a profitable 1% AI business, I decided to pull back the curtain and show you all how to do it for free. In this video, we are going to find a winning idea, build a powerful AI solution, and find customers to sell it to, which is what most people get wrong. To execute this plan, we are going to head over to Kimi. Now, Kimi is not Claude, it's not ChatGPT. The reason we're using Kimi and its new K2.6 is because it can launch almost 300 sub-agents at once that work together. So we can dedicate like 100 to do SEO, 100 to write social media posts, 100 mini developers to code. And GPT and Claude Code can't do this. And you're going to see why this is so important when we're selling to leads. All right, so the first thing you have to do is figure out what niche you want to work in. Now, whether you are a business owner in a certain niche or you have friends that are business owners, pick a niche that is relevant to you or to someone you know, because that way you have direct access to people within the niche. Now, I'm going to pick roofing because I've been working with a lot of roofing clients recently. So I'm going to ask Kimi, can you find pain points of roofing companies to see which system or solution we can sell them. This is for my AI / you can say web design business. And now we're asking me to, go ahead and start working, and it's going to find some pain points and we will analyze them and see which pain point we want to solve. Okay, so you see the to-do list: research roofing industry pain points and challenges, identify technology adoption gaps roofing companies. Now, this is not the agent swarm that Kimi offers. We're going to utilize Kimi's agent swarm to run multiple AI agents at the same time later in the video, but let's let its single agent handle all the work for now. You see all the research Kimi is doing, and we can go to the links ourselves, and we can do our own research as Kimi is doing it for us. So you can see what these different roofing companies are offering, but nowadays we're so lazy, we're just gonna have the AI do it for us, right? Why would you manually do this in 2026? As you can see right here, we have a full report of everything, all the pain points of roofing companies. Executive summary, digital gap, roofing companies applying clients for tech solution, key points at a glance, no website, poor digital presence. You can see all impact severity. So lead generation, inconsistent flow. That's most businesses suck with lead generation. If every business could do lead generation well, then every business would be making millions of dollars, no? Missed calls, revenue loss. Oh wow, I didn't know missed calls was such a big pain point. Owners on job sites, no dedicated receptionists, AI call answering, live answering services. That makes a lot of sense, right? Owners are always on job sites, so yeah, no one's answering the calls. No website. Yeah, I know roofing companies are usually run by like much older people, so they probably don't care about having digital presence when they should, especially in today's age. So you gotta be that person who's helping them. Labor shortages. I guess you could have AI systems like technically missed calls, a labor shortage, right? If they had an employee that could handle those calls, they wouldn't have missed calls. Material costs, volatility, season. Okay, so let's aim for the first four, right? So you have labor shortages, no website, missed calls, lead generation. Lead generation is too broad. I think we would have to develop a more like robust solution for lead generation. So I would start with the website. This is the lowest hanging fruit we can get because it's very easy to build a website in today's age, right? And we can build a custom website per lead and then just show them the website and be like, hey, look, it's already done for you. All you gotta say is yes. Now we'll make this your official website. And then they'll say, okay, yes. And you can charge them maybe $200, $300, potentially $1,000, maybe more, depending on how big the roofing company is. So now it has a full breakdown of everything. What I'm gonna say though is, we know what you want with this, a website. Okay, so now that we have found out we want the website, we're gonna be doing, if I go to agent right here, I'm gonna switch it to agent swarm, right? And now we are going to get crazy. Okay, so we're gonna ask Kimi to find roofing companies along the eastern coast, because I live on the east coast of America, that have no website or very old website, and create the website for each lead. So we're gonna find all these leads and create websites for them already done, and we're just gonna pitch the website to the person. So let's say, hey Kimmy, can you find roofing companies with no website or poor websites along the East Coast of America? Find 50 of these companies. Maybe 50 is a lot. Find 20 of these roofing companies and list them out. So you'll go say find 20 and list them out. All right. So this is the first part. This is like, this part you can just use a regular agent, but we'll just have agent swarm, because the next part will require a lot of agents. All right, so let's go ahead and find these roofing companies. So you can see right here, specialized search agents for different East Coast regions. So it's breaking down the East Coast into regions and having one agent look at each one. Like right here, you saw Rosalind. She's looking for the Mid-Atlantic states, find roofing companies there. Paul is looking for, where is this, like the upper part of the East Coast, and this is the lower part of East Coast. So you have 3 mini researchers doing the task. This is amazing. That's why I love Agent Swarm. But again, this is not the full power of it. The full power of it will come after this, and you guys will see how easy it is now to build AI solutions and websites for these companies and just sell it to them at scale. All right, Agent Swarm has finally come up with its results, and we can see each agent, what it's done, to the entire history of the agent, Page, Sartor, Debussy, right? It's pretty cool names. If you look at what it produced, see company name, location, website, email, keep going down, regional coverage. Let's go ahead and just check this out. So this is an MD file. We have not only the company name, location, the current website, we also have their email, which will help marketing be so much easier for us, because now we don't have to go ahead and find their email. Kimmy did it all for us. So let's look at some of the websites. Look at this one right here, Your Home's Best Friend. This one isn't actually too bad. Nutmeg Roofing. This one is not the best. Go Charm City Roofing. Not bad. Not bad. Could be a little bit better. Williamsburg Roofing. Yes, it looks like they all look very similar, you know? So imagine you can make a website that looks different than what people are regularly used to. Yeah, this website needs better work. I mean, this video is so wide. So, lucky for them, they have us, or you. So here's what we're going to be doing, all right? We're now going to be saying, build a website for each of these, let's call them roofing companies, that is modern, looks a lot better than their current website, and is very appealing to the eye. And let the Agent Swarm know your goal. The goal is to sell these companies on the websites we build by showing that our websites are better. So websites have to look good. All right. Build a website. Oh, sorry, I already said that. Okay. Note. That has modern styling. Looks a lot better than the current website and is very appealing to the eye. All right, so we have our prompt written, and now all we gotta do is press continue, and the Agent Swarm will fire out, and we will get so many websites created at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that. It's just thinking. I'm actually curious to see how it breaks it down. All right. I love the sales pitch angle. I built a single jaw-dropping and showcase website that you can use to pitch all 20 roofing companies One is actually design size far more effective 20 New York ones, which design capabilities certain template roof line. Interesting. So it's saying, hey, instead of creating 20 different websites, why don't you just create one that acts as a showcase website that you can pitch to all 20 roofing companies. That would be pretty smart. And what we can do is, while it's creating this master website, again, just for the fun of it, open up Agent Swarm and we'll upload this PDF of all the roofing companies I've found. And then if you go back to roofing web pitch, oopsie daisy, let's go copy this. Agent Swarm, add that, paste it. Each website should have the company's branding so it looks unique to each website. Do not make one website for all. Make one website for each. So this specifying, because yes, it does make more sense practically to make one big website and push everyone to that as a showcase website. However, we're trying to be creative. We're trying to utilize Agent Swarm to the max. So what we're going to be doing is to make one website for each. And yeah. And finally, I say make a table with each company, their old website, and the newly improved website. I recommend having one agent for each website development minimum. I don't know. Just a suggestion. This is that ex-software engineer coming inside of me. And boom, we're about to launch this. So now we have two. You have the master website being developed from this chat, and you have Agent Swarm handling this one. Again, the multitasking on Kimmy's is incredible. All right, it is ready. Our agents went absolutely crazy with this. I mean, look at this. Look at all the different agents working together. Boom, 5 tasks. Boom, 5 tasks. 6 tasks, 7 tasks. It's like having your own army of AI employees, which is literally what this is. It's like a swarm, right? And you see all the table, the old website compared to the new improved website for a bunch of different of these roofing companies. What makes each website unique, it's like a breakdown. Technical highlights across all 20 sites and the preview. So let me see right here, all the different sites. You can click this button and you can look at this website. I have some of them pulled up already. So your main roofing. So this Maine's most trusted roofer. Nice little animation. High quality images. Look at that. Vermont's trusted roofing partner. Vermont tough, Vermont trusted. Master, like this is beautiful. Holy, this is very beautiful. New Hampshire roofing masters. Sources, craftsmanship, what our clients say. Wow. Boston most trusted roofing contractor. Each of these websites can stand alone as their own, amazing, like the top quality website among roofing companies in that area. Most roofing companies' websites are pretty not that good. Wow, cool. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we can just pick any one of these websites. Let's do. I like this New Hampshire one a lot. This Master Roofers one. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna record the entire screen real quick. Or actually, here. So ignore what I'm doing is I'm using the Mac inbuilt recorder. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to only record the selected portion. This is a cool little hack I like doing. I'm just gonna walk through the website and attach it as a video in the email I sent to the person. So hit record and just go down. Go down slowly. All right, it's recorded. So this is how it looks like. So this is the final recording. So you probably snip it up a little bit. Like that, and then like that. Press done. And now what we're gonna do is we already have the email from our sheet, but it's also like right here, you know? So now I'm opening up Gmail. I'm actually sending the email to this company, show them the new improved website, and get their opinion. All right, we have the email complete. So this is the email right here. It's the subject, the person we are addressing, or the company in this case. We attach that screen recording that I showed you earlier, and then I have my signature, best Ritesh or Verma. That's right, founder at Slight. And content creator, add more credibility to myself, right? 150,000 followers. All right, that just makes me sound a little better, right? Cool. I'll probably say at our Prince V. I'm gonna do just link my channel. Again, you want to establish as much credibility as possible with whoever you're talking to. So why not, right? Cool. Best Ritesh Verma, founder at Slight. Yeah, that should be good. And now we're just gonna send this. And let's hope for the best. And now we're gonna repeat this across all 20 leads. I'm sure you can build an AI agent to do this for you, or ask Kimmy to. However, that is your task to complete. Now, for the majority of this video, I have been using Kimmy's agent and the agent swarm. And I want to say this would not have been possible without Kimmy sponsoring this video. They gave me access to their latest model and allowed me to use it to complete this entire business venture. So I'm extremely thankful for them. If you want to use Kimmy for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description below. And if you want to see me build another AI system from scratch, watch this video next.